Вот, я еще раз начну. Я еще раз представлюсь. Простите меня, конечно, просто я начал говорить из того, что микрофона. Всем привет, с вами Елизавета и мой друг Раптом. Конечно, извините, вас слышно не будет, но ноутбук все-таки прям. Извините, я просто не очень внимательно части. Это очень увлекательная игра. Предпочитаю, если у вас есть маленькие, например, родителям предпочту, если у вас есть маленькие дети, предлагайте это им игру, им реально будет развлекательно и интересно. Вот сейчас загрузка игры, то есть первой главы. У меня Гарри Поттер философский камень, ну как, игра нормальная, да, только
It says here that Sirius Black has escaped from the wizard prison Askabana.
No one's ever broken out before.
12 years ago, Black murdered 13 people with a single curse. Well, at least we'll be safe at Hogwarts. What's wrong, Harry? Ron? I overheard your dad talking about Sirius Black last night. The Ministry of Magic thinks he's after me.
Black's escaped to come after you? Oh, Harry, you'll have to be really, really careful. Don't go looking for trouble.
I don't go looking for trouble. Trouble usually finds me.
But they'll catch him, won't they? I mean, they've got all the muggles looking out for him too.
Scabbers, come back! Can't you keep that monster under control?
Calm down, Ron. You don't want to wake Professor Lupin.
Don't worry, Ron. We'll help you find Scabbers.
Итак, немножко
That cat of yours is a menace, Hermione. Oh, brilliant. Scabbers could have gone anywhere.
Crookshanks doesn't understand that it's wrong to chase Scabbers. You can cast Alahamora to open that door, Harry. Hold down the left mouse button to activate your wand.
Keep holding while you move the mouse to aim your wand. That's it! Now let go of the mouse button and he'll cast. There he is!
We can climb over this luggage, Harry. We just need to walk up to it and we'll be able to start climbing.
We'll have to jump up to climb over those crates.
Right then, you lead the way. Walk forward towards the crates and click the right mouse button to jump.
Let's pick up these dirty boss beans. Fred and George will trade some wicked stuff for them at their shop. I suppose we'll have to push this thing out of the way.
Or one of us could cast a pulso. Depulso!
Oh, nice
A
one,
locked
Hermione.
chest.
Right.
There's inside these.
Won't it, Hermione?
Thank goodness. If we walk into this save book, it'll store our adventures up to this point.
Итак, у нас идет.
Oh, great.
Scabbers went behind that wall.
Oh, really, Ron? You might think about training your rat.
Wow! It's a magically locked cabinet. We need to cast at the same time to open it. All three of us. I'll start, and you two join in. Hello, Morris. Hello, Morris. What's that thing?
It's a gargoyle, of course.
Cast Lumos at it, Ron, and a secret area will light up.
Lumos! Watch out!
Flying bugs! Does everyone remember how to cast a pulsar?
Pulsar! Ow! Ah! The pulsar!
Job, Ron!
Oh yeah! That was wicked! A chocolate frog! This will help us get to our souls after that running with those bricks. Hello, I'm not so sure about this carriage. What's in those cages?
We're definitely not supposed to be in here.
Can't leave Scabbers, can we? Come on, follow me.
Well, look who it is. Potty and the Weasel. I should have known his pathetic excuse for a rat had something to do with you.
Draco Malfoy. So they put you in the creature's carriage, did they?
Probably the only place you could find a friend.
Actually, I do have a rather interesting friend I'd like to meet. Everyone play nicely now.
Oh no! What's that monstrous looking book?
Actually, I believe it's a copy of the Monster Book of Monsters.
Cast at the pages.
We'll knock them out of the air, Harry. You finish them
Victor
off.
Zebra! Victor 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 Zebra! Maybe we should go! Victor Zebra! Victor Zebra! Victor Zebra!
Well done.
Is it okay to scream now?
Ron, you really do need to work on the accuracy of your spell casting.
A wizard card! I love collecting these.
If we search around enough at Hogwarts, we could find all 80 collector's cards.
We can look inside the Folio Universitas after picking up a collector's card. Press the escape.
Давайте даже посмотрим. Так,
Fulbert the Fearful, 1014 to 1097. Famous for being so cowardly he never ventured out of his house.
Here, click on the picture of the card at the top of the screen.
Given us a lot of trouble, you useless rat.
Come on, let's get back to our compartment before we're missed.
What's happening?
Ron, do whatever you can to block the door. I'll go for help.
Lock the door? What's out there?
ну это на несколько минут, вы не бойтесь. О, я снимаю как раз 9 минут.
Impulso! 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 Impulso!
None of us is hiding Sirius Black under our cloaks.
Go!
Harry! Are you alright?
Yeah. What happened? What was that thing?
A Dementor. One of the Dementors of Askabana. We better head back. We'll be at Hogwarts in a few minutes.
Are you sure you're alright, Harry? Fine. I'm fine.
Приближаться к... Ну, это уже вторая глава. Я думаю, пора нам заканчивать с первой, да? Да? Да, я думаю, пора заканчивать.
Harry, Ron and Hermione were delighted to be back at Hogwarts. Harry's encounter with the Dementor had caused him no serious harm, other than a growing feeling of dread. The three friends hurried to their first class of the term, anxious to resume their lessons.
I'm Professor Lupin, your new Defense Against the Dark Arts teacher. Our first lesson involves the spell Carpe Retractum. Ron Weasley, would you please join me?
Me? Are you sure? Hermione's loads better at spells.
You'll do fine, Ron. Just step through this door to begin.
Загрузка игры. Ой, у меня так немножко спина болит. Ну ладно, вот когда мы уже начнем.
Hello? Professor Lupin?
Welcome to the Carpe Retractum Challenge, Ron. There are 10 challenge shields scattered throughout the challenge. Some are well hidden. Find all 10 shields to earn a visit to the Bean bonus room. If you don't find all the shields your first time through, you can always come back. Complete the challenge by collecting the final shield. Let's get started. Carpe Retractum has two primary uses. To pull yourself towards something, or to pull something towards you. See if you can find a statue to cast the spell at. Then, watch what happens.
Итак, хорошо. Спасибо за просмотр. Поставить лайк, да? И подписаться на канал моего друга Эльрапто, он у меня в подписчиках. Ну ладно, я кину даже на него ссылку. Ладно, всем спасибо за просмотр, всем до свидания, удачи, бай-бай. Ой, я походу начал новое видео. А не, да, не новое. О, все. Так. У меня выбило из этого. Итак, ладно, я еще раз попрощаюсь, бо у меня все-таки не это. Ладно, если вы здесь впервые, подписывайтесь на канал, поставьте лайки, ставьте пальцы вверх. И все, удачи, пока, до следующих серий, друзья.